Announcers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Music, news, and sports are presented by announcers, who may also provide commentary or interview guests. Work environment. Many announcers work in radio and television studios. Some announcers are self-employed, some work part-time. How to become one. Announcers must have a variety of qualifications. Radio and television announcers typically require a bachelor's degree in journalism, broadcasting, or communications, as well as internships or work experience at a college radio or television station. A high school diploma and some of the job training are typically required for public address announcers. Salary. The median annual wage for public address system and other announcers is $27,720. The median annual wage for radio and television announcers is $33,220. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, overall employment of announcers is expected to grow by 1%, slower than the average for all occupations. Experience. Experience at college TV or radio station beneficial internship provides additional experience. Key skills. Speaking skills, interpersonal skills, writing skills, professional appearance, computer skills using industry editing software, and an understanding of various software applications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the most up-to-date career and educational videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the like button. Please ask any queries you may have in the comments section.